Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove CapCut watermark permanently. So here, every time you start a new project on CapCut, you can see that here, I'm going to start a new project first, for example, right here. So when I start a new project, this CapCut watermark will be at the ending. Actually, it's pretty easy. You can just click on delete. But how about to remove it permanently? So what you need to do is close this project first. Then you're going to your profile, click on the Me options in here, and then click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and you'll see under the preferences section there will be add default ending. So you can see that it's an enable now, so you need to turn it off by clicking on this white circle until it turns into gray. Click on discard, and just like that, the watermark will be removed permanently when you start a new project on CapCut. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.